You are welcome. In this presentation, I want us to find the value of this expression, which is an algebraic expression. And according to you, do you think the answer is 0? Trust me, it's not 0. You can first pause the video, try it out, and prove. So let us dive into the video. Hello viewers. Welcome to this channel. In case you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to MATHL.J for more videos of the kind. So for our solution, one can begin by getting the difference here. For example, if we have now the 6, take away the 6, then multiplied by 6, take away the 6. One can first get the difference here, that 6 minus 6, to get 0, then multiplied by, again 6, take away 6, to get a 0. When I multiply 0 by 0 to get a 0 as the result. But according to this expression, this answer as 0 is wrong. Is completely wrong. So let us have the correct approach of doing it in the simple way and secure way. So the correct one would be following BODMAS. As we have the expression as 6 minus 6, then multiplied by 6 minus 6. So this is equal to, so we are going to follow BODMAS. As I told you, this is for brackets, this is of, this for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and then S for subtraction. The priority decreases in this order. Brackets are given the first priority, but when we look at our expression, we don't have the brackets. So we ignore that. We don't have of still. We don't have division, but I can see the next one is multiplication, and we have the multiplication symbol, which is this. That means in this expression, we are going to first multiply the 6 by 6 before we do any subtraction. This is what I mean. We are going to get here 6, then minus the 6 multiplied by 6, we get 36, then this sign minus a 6. So now our next step, we are going to subtract, since we can see that the only sign remaining is the subtraction sign. So in here, the order doesn't matter, since we are dealing with the expression having only one mathematical operation, which is subtraction. So I can decide first take away 6, or I can decide first take away 36 from 6. So any will give us the correct answer. So in here, I can decide to get 6 minus 36, which gives the result as negative 30, then minus 6. So now minus 6, I'm getting the result to be negative 36. So this is the answer. And now our expression, therefore, the answer to the expression, which is 6 minus 6 multiplied by 6 minus 6 equals to the negative 36. So therefore, this becomes our correct answer for this expression. And if this video has been of value to you, kindly subscribe to the channel here. And you can also watch this video for more about mathematics. See you again. Goodbye.